If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press all bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, let us prepare the board using a MDF board and handmade paper. This handmade paper is very useful for painting watercolors and poster colors and also acrylic colors. We can also cover the board using a paste of Wallputty and fevicol. Using a handmade paper, you can prepare the board within a very short time. And also for freehand sketch drawing, this paper is very good. Even if you make any mistake, you can erase and do it. For gluing the sheet over the MDF board, you can use even fevicol. But now I am going to use wheat flour paste, which is organic adhesive. First, let me apply completely over the sheet, and then we'll apply over this MDF board. You can prepare the wheat flour paste just by adding 2 spoons of wheat flour and add water. Mix it to a water-like consistency. Cook it for just 5 minutes at low temperature. Along with this wheat flour paste, you can also add a little fevicol to it. I applied thoroughly even over the board. Place it exactly. Press it well, but do not press it too much. Make sure not to have any air bubbles in between. The board is completely dry. In order to find the center of this MDF board, let us have an equal size of a newspaper. Fold it. Again fold it 1/4. Now open it out. You can find the center of this. Make a small hole here. Place it exactly to fit the board. See, you can find the center here where you made a point with the needle. This is how we can find the center of this MDF board. Using the center point, we can draw any concentric circles. I drawn a border circle. To have some pattern here, we can draw the design by freehand, or you can take the Xerox of any design from internet. Once I complete the pattern, I am drawing another circle here. You can transfer any border design using a carbon sheet. I prepare the cone paste using Wallputty and fevicol. Now let us complete the design. I am trying to create a pitchwai painting. Normally these kind of paintings are made using poster colors. One of my subscribers suggested me to try using Wallputty clay. This is a special and strong Wallputty clay. I shown at the end of the video how to make this Wallputty clay. Kindly keep watching. wheat flour paste. Mix white glue and wheat flour paste thoroughly. Once it is mixed well, I am adding Wallputty. Mix wheat flour paste, white glue and Wallputty thoroughly. We can add Wallputty when it is required. See, the clay is quite sticky, so we need to add some more Wallputty. It is advisable to add Wallputty in batches. Still the clay is very sticky, so I am adding Wallputty powder for the third time. If you feel the clay is quite sticky, you can add a little Wallputty powder. Knead the clay well. As we knead the clay well, the clay becomes more soft.
Hope you like this video. If you like it, kindly subscribe and support my channel. Thanks for watching.